Punxsutawney Phil, seer of seers, prognosticator of all prognosticators, was awakened from his burrow at 7:25 or around then, by his handlers John Griffiths and Ron Plowshed, and by the cheers of his thousands of steadfast, grateful, faithful followers. Phil waved to his fans, gazed at the sky and around his stump, and with the help of the inner circle and their large, rain-filled crowd, looked for his shadow. Majestically speaking in Groundhog, he directed President Phil daily to the precise goal, which reads, "Forecast abound on the internet. I, Punxsutawney Phil, am still your best bet." Yes, a shadow I see. You can start to Twitter. Hashtag 6 more weeks of winter.